IELTS preparation. Different types of art vocabulary. Understanding a variety of art-related vocabulary can be beneficial for the IELTS speaking and writing sections, as these topics may come up. Here is a list of different art forms along with their definitions to help build your knowledge in this area. Arts and crafts. Definition. Focuses on decorative design and handcrafted items. Usage. I enjoy creating arts and crafts projects that showcase unique, handmade designs. Used as a noun phrase to refer to handmade, decorative work, such as pottery or woven textiles. Contemporary, modern art. Definition. Refers to artworks created from the latter half of the 20th century into the 21st century. Usage. She's a fan of modern art and often visits contemporary galleries. Used as a noun phrase to describe art created in recent times, typically post-20th century. Cubism, cubist. Definition. An art movement that discards a single viewpoint, instead using simple geometric shapes. Usage. Picasso is famous for his cubist paintings, which depict objects from multiple perspectives. Cubism is used as a noun for the movement, and cubist is an adjective describing works or artists of that style. Digital art. Definition. Artwork produced through digital means, using computers, software, or electronic devices. Usage. He creates digital art using his tablet and special design software. Used as a noun phrase to refer to art created using digital tools and technology. Expressionism, expressionist. Definition. Art that distorts reality to convey the artist's personal emotions or ideas. Usage. His work is very expressionist, with bold colors and exaggerated forms. Expressionism is the noun for the movement, and expressionist is an adjective used for works or artists following that style. Figurative art. Definition. Modern art that strongly references the real world, especially the human figure. Usage. She prefers figurative art that depicts real-life scenes and people. Used as a noun phrase to refer to artwork that retains strong representations of real subjects, particularly human figures. Fine arts. Definition. Art appreciated mainly for its creative, aesthetic, or intellectual appeal. Usage. He's studying fine arts in college, focusing on painting and sculpture. Used as a noun phrase to refer to artistic disciplines such as painting, sculpture, and music, considered for their beauty and intellectual value. Graffiti art. Definition. A form of visual expression, often illegal, involving unauthorized markings in public spaces. Usage. The city has many areas designated for graffiti art. Used as a noun phrase to describe street art, often involving spray paint or other unauthorized methods. Impressionism, impressionist. Definition. A painting style focused on capturing the immediate visual impression of a scene. Usage. The gallery has an exhibit of impressionist works from the 19th century. Impressionism is the noun for the style, and impressionist is used as an adjective for works or artists following that style. Modernism, modernist. Definition. An artistic style or movement that breaks from classical and traditional forms. Usage. This building's clean lines and minimalist design make it a classic example of modernist architecture. Modernism is used as a noun for the movement, and modernist is used as an adjective for works or artists of the style. Performing arts. Definition. Creative expressions performed live for an audience, including drama, music, and dance. Usage. She's involved in the performing arts, taking part in local theater productions and dance performances. Used as a noun phrase to describe artistic performances like theater, music, and dance. Plastic arts. Definition. Art that involves modeling or shaping, such as sculpture and ceramics, often with three-dimensional effects. Usage. Sculpture and ceramics are both forms of plastic arts. Used as a noun phrase to refer to arts involving physical shaping or molding of materials. Romanticism, romanticist, definition. An 18th century movement that emphasizes inspiration and personal expression. Usage. The painting's dramatic landscape and emphasis on emotion reflect the ideals of Romanticism. Romanticism is used as a noun for the movement, and romanticist is an adjective for works or artists following that style. Still life painting. Definition. Artwork focusing on inanimate objects, exploring their form, color, texture, and composition. Usage. His still life paintings of fruit and flowers are known for their vivid colors and realistic details, used as a noun phrase for art depicting inanimate objects. Surrealism, surrealist, definition. A 20th century avant-garde movement that aims to unlock creativity through the juxtaposition of unexpected images. Usage. Inspired by surrealism, her artwork combines unusual images and dreamlike compositions. Surrealism is the noun for the movement, and surrealist is the adjective describing works or artists within that style. Visual arts, definition. Encompasses forms such as painting, drawing, sculpture, ceramics, photography, film, design, crafts, and architecture. Usage. Her studies cover various visual arts disciplines, including painting, sculpture, and photography. Used as a noun phrase to refer to all art forms that are primarily visual in nature. Exercise 1. Choose the correct word to complete the sentences. Words: surrealist, performing arts, graffiti art, arts and crafts, digital art. Began in New York in the 1970s, when young people started spray painting subway cars and abandoned industrial buildings. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: graffiti art. Graffiti art began in New York in the 1970s, when young people started spray painting subway cars and abandoned industrial buildings. My sister has a gallery on her website where she showcases the artwork she created on a tablet. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: digital art. My sister has a digital art gallery on her website where she showcases the artwork she created on a tablet. In developing countries, made in rural areas and sold to tourists can be an essential source of income. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: arts and crafts. In developing countries, arts and crafts made in rural areas and sold to tourists can be an essential source of income. Many believe that the government should increase funding to encourage children to engage in, such as dance and theater. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: performing arts. Many believe that the government should increase funding to encourage children to engage in performing arts such as dance and theater. Salvador Dali was one of the most famous artists of the 20th century. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: surrealist. Salvador Dali was one of the most famous surrealist artists of the 20th century. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.